Pero ang sinasabi nga nila, ginagamit daw ang impeachment na to for their political gain.
Dapat may impeachment pero hindi dapat gamitin ito ng magkalaban lang sa politika. Ayaw natin maging presidente si Vice President Sara, talunin nyo na lang sa 2028.
Are you truly for accountability or simply anti-Duterte? Do you truly respect and want to preserve the Constitution or you simply hate the Vice President? Are you serving the nation's interest or protecting and pursuing your own personal ambitions or agenda? Are you fighting for truth or are you simply after revenge? Do you really want a trial or do you just want a conviction? Do you really believe that we are wrong or do you simply think and feel entitled and believe that you are always right?
Meanwhile, ang apat na bumoto in the negative with two majority senators, Soto, Ontiveros, Pangilinan at Aquino, isama na rin siguro natin si Lacson. They argued na nung una, hindi dapat ito i-dismiss dahil mayroon pang motion for reconsideration. Umapela ang House of Representatives via Martin Romualdez. Masyadong minamadali kung ngayon pa lang, pinagdedesisyon nyo na kung gusto nyo i-dismiss ang impeachment complaint, hindi pa nga tapos yung motion for reconsideration. Hindi rin nila ina-undermine ang Supreme Court ayon sa kanila, kundi gusto lang i-table or ipagpaliban muna yung decision to dismiss or archive. Kasi again, may hihirapan kunin ulit kapag na-archive na or even worse, kapag na-dismiss.